everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this week's video is based on a design that I did a few weeks ago. I have already put it on Instagram. I do little snippets of tutorials in the morning. So if you follow me on Instagram, then that is where you first see my videos. So so I use all different colours, pinks, blues and purples in this video, along with chrome powders, a little bit of 3D work. So I shall get started and show you how I created my nails. So here is the design that I created for you guys in this week's video. As you can see, my nails are quite oval, which I really like this shape, and they are now my natural nails. I have no tips on, they are just mine, and I've just done gel overlay on them. So I filed off my previous design and I'm just going in with a base coat, which I cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go in with Miss You Beauty's gel strengthener again, cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I apply my Brush Up Builder gel in the shade Bare. So I'm just doing the infill on these nails at the moment. So the main amount of product is round by the cuticle area, and I'm just dragging it down just to make sure that it covers the nail. This gel polish is actually Sugar Coating 06. I did forget to film me doing a coat of it, the first coat, so I do apologise for that. However, this is the second coat going on, which I cured for 30 seconds. And then I apply my non-wipe UV gel top coat. I absolutely love this glitter. I think it is amazing. It's so sparkly, which is just what I like. So on my forefinger, I go in with Miss Casey 02. It's a beautiful, like, bubblegum pink. How cute is that? As I have already shown you how I do an infill with the Brush Up Builder gel, I didn't think it was needed to film it again, so I just went in with the colour and the design that I was going with. So I just cure these two coats of this in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then again with Sugar Coating 06 and my fine detail brush, I just apply that to the cuticle area and drag it down in an ombre effect, which, as you probably will already know if you watch my videos, I am in love with the ombre effect. I just think it's so cute, so effective. So yeah. So I do actually go in with two coats of that just to make it a little bit more sparkly, a little bit more visible. So I do cure each coat in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and just apply that to the nail and cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I apply my cuticle oil. And I just love these colours together. I think they're so cute. So then this is my middle finger. So with Candy Shop 04, which is a beautiful, I don't know, is it blue? Is it purple? What is it? It's beautiful, that's all I know. So I just apply that to my nail, cure that for 30 seconds, and then I go in with a second coat and I cure that for 30 seconds. I think it's more blue than it is purple. Anyways, I really like it. So I'm just going in with some top coat here, as you can see, which I cure in my LED lamp. And then with this holographic chrome powder, I just go in the centre of that nail. And then with Purple Glaze Chrome, I go around the edges of that. And it just gives it, I don't know what kind of effect you want to call it, but it just, two-tone, it's amazing. Anyway, I just absolutely love the effect. This is probably my favourite nail that I created. I really love it, and I think I might do another version of this soon. So yeah, I love that. So holographic chrome in the middle and then purple glaze in the outer edges. And then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure for 60 seconds. Love it. And then I apply my cuticle oil. Beautiful. Look at that. So cute. So then with my ring finger, I go in with Miss Casey 01. It's a lovely, beautiful little purple colour. Really, really delicate, and I just love it. So I apply my first coat of this, which I then cure in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I go in with a second coat and cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then with Snow Queen in my 4D gel, I get a tiny little bead there, and with this tool, I can't remember what you call it, but there you go, I create a little 3D bow. And I just wanted to get a really tiny bow. I just wanted it to be really small. And then with the crystals, I just apply one crystal to the centre of that bow, and I just think that is so effective and so cute. And then I just cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. And then I apply my cuticle oil. Sweet. And for some reason, I applied a picture of my nails in the middle of this video, and I don't know why. I do apologise. So then with this gel polish, which is in the Love Story range, it's a thermal gel polish. I just apply 2 coats of that to my nail and cure each coat in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I'm going in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, which I cure in my LED lamp for about 40 seconds. And then again with my holographic chrome powder, I just apply it to the nail because I just think it's amazing. And with the fact that this gel polish changes colour, I just think it just looks so good and so effective. Yeah, I just love it. So that's how that looks. So just wipe off the excess glitter away from my finger with my brush, and then I apply my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure that for 60 seconds, and that is the design on my nails. And I just love these colours. I think they're really, really cute. So there is the final result, and I hope you enjoyed it. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I really do appreciate it, and I really hope you enjoyed watching my video. If you did, as always, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And also don't forget, I do have another channel, a beauty channel, so head over to that one. I will leave you a link to that so that you can head over there and check out what I do on that channel. And I also have a beauty Instagram account, so don't forget to check that out. And I will leave you links to all the products that I used in this video today. And don't forget, I do have a discount code as well for you all to check out. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.